abantu bangerekeze bona musibekuri yeba
nkaguma muringo gwa Robsinje n'obuteeka omu kichweka eki. Amnesty Commissioner Coordinator wa Western Region Ronald Sekatawa yarabura abaturage okurekeraho okwenyigira mu bikorwa eby'ekyekera ngu beheyo babase kugoborra mu ntebeekanisa za gavumenti. Ebi abigambira mu rukiiko rubeire aha katare ka Bwera Main Market mu district ya Kasese ahi yashabire abo boona abarikwenyigira mu bikorwa by'ekyekera n'obujahambuki ngu bakwase ahansi embundu babase kujwangana n'abantu ba butosha. Okurugerwa Ronald Sekatawa akakiiko k'okusaasira ka Amnesty Commission kariyo nikaha omugisha abo boona abarenyigiraho mu bikorwa by'ekyekera okwehayo bakasaasirwa bakatandika amagara masya.
Even this time Amnesty will not work because I think it has become a menace. Because Amnesty is there, you can't cause havoc, you cause people to die because Amnesty is there. So we are warning you that enough is enough. Make sure that you protect this area. Let's keep peace. Let's be cooperative with the security. Our interest is to see our population. They are doing their business. Children are going to school. Abantu bakola emirimo yabo.
Sekatawa n'ashaba abo boona okukozesa omugisha ogwo okubasagaruka mu bichweka byabo nabo babase kuba bamwe hari abo abarikubitura.
You cannot fight senseless or useless one you win. You look at our army now. Look at the police. Can somebody right in Uganda fight somebody? Such a personnel will bang us. Look at people who are dying for nothing. Burumuntu achaina confusion because he's using our ignorant population.
Mukuru w'entebe akatana bwa district ya Kasese Elfazi Muhindi yayongera abigambo bya Sekatawa arikushaba eminyeto okwenyigira mu ntebeekanisa za gavumenti babase kuruga mu magara ag'abakozi b'ebihagaro.
Eminyeto especially abantu bakina bare mulekerero mwabinu ebikego bishoboka. Tujo muisa kama president wetu nyenzi ya bantu abere mnyatanyero yisha batendo mu school abatuba ngatoke libe yao amatwe school yinya mubuku presidential hub initiative tukolesha program ya government twangatoke rewo.
Assistant Commissioner wa Polisi Florence Kirabira yarabura abo boona abarikwetwara mu nkabo mutwe muhango bakanga kuhanika ngu omukono gw'ekyoma ogw'ekiragiro ngwija kubakwatamu. Yashoborra ngu tibarikwija kwikiriza ebikorwa byona ebyokuhenda ebiragiro omu district egi.
And especially for this region of yours, there are quite a number of people in DRC Congo. Yeah? We know well that there have been a number of recruitment of ADF from our country, and DRC Congo is the safer haven where they've been hiding, where they've been having all their operations. So if you encourage and you call on people to come out, give up rebellion and hand over the equipment and hand over yourself, government is ready to receive you and even rehabilitate you.
Akakiiko ka Amnesty Commission negashoborra ngu hariho mubaro gw'abantu bingi abahanikire bakaruga omu buheekera omu myezi mike eyitire amabega kandi entebeekanisa egi neegumizamu okurebeka ngu buri muntu arikwenda kuruga omu magara ag'ekiheekera tiyasigwa enyuma.